Happy May Day, everybody. Well, if you saw one of the many videos I posted yesterday about the bowling alley, Spartan Lanes, I do believe that it's going to close today. And I'll put more on that. I'm currently one-handedly... I have a battery pack, and I'm trying to... There we go. So yeah, I do believe Spartan Lanes is going to close after today, unfortunately. I actually signed a petition online to keep it going. I doubt that's going to do anything, although almost 800 people out of their goal of 1,000 wrote. I posted it on Twitter, you'll see it. And some people donated money. I didn't. Anyways, speaking of that bowling alley, you are about to see some old footage of my first time ever bowling, and it was at that bowling alley, shot way back in, I believe, 2007. I'm going to see if I can show you, too, the camera that it was shot on. You're going to see it's low quality, but that's 2007. Alright, so I actually dug out the camera that was filmed on. Here it is. The old Panasonic PVGS-19 from, like, 2005 or so. It's huge, and the screen is broken. But it works when it's hooked up to a TV. We even have the original box, the original receipt, the original instruction manual, and everything that came with it, still in pretty much mint condition. The receipt from Best Buy. So yeah, this is what that video was filmed on. Panasonic makes great cameras. This one is just old. So yeah, just thought I'd include that. You guys are now going to see some clips from my first time bowling at the Spartan Lanes bowling alley.
Here it is, your very first time. What? Ready? I'm ready. Oh, and a career is launched. Isaac, watch. Look right here. Watch, honey, the ball.
That one's Daddy's. Everybody gets their own ball.
Okay, you want to take your orange one?
Orange one.
Okay. Go with Mommy. And then do it again. What do you think of that, Bob? Is that fun? Look at that! Look at that! Woo. Isaac, you got more!
Okay, let's go get the ball. It comes out over here from the machine. Ready? Watch down there. Daddy's gonna bowl. Watch this. Here he goes.
Daddy's a lot of practice, huh? Yeah, hold on.
Daddy gets one more turn. Honey, you can't pick it up. Let Mommy help you. Daddy gets one more turn, and then it'll be your turn again, okay? Isaac, look at the camera. Say bowling. No? No. Okay. Daddy's ball. Yay! Okay, now it's gonna be your turn.
Not so good. Mommy's turn. Let's watch Mommy throw. She's gonna throw Nancy. Isaac, watch Mommy. Look at Mommy. Whatever. Whatever. Isaac, look at Mommy knock down almost all the pins with Daddy's bowling ball.
I didn't get a turn to go find the ball, so I'm just going to use your one.
That's fine, as long as it's not too heavy for you. Oh, Mommy. Did better than Daddy.
I didn't put my glasses on.
Uh-huh. Okay, Isaac's turn. Isaac, you want to bowl?
You can some still pictures.
Okay.
Or do you want me to do it? You want to go
No,
up with
that's
it?
fine.
You go up with it.
All right, Mommy's going to do this.
I'm going to do the still. Is this on?
No, do this first, and then we'll do still. Isaac, want to bowl with Daddy?
Be really careful. No one there yet. There was a step there.
Okay, ready? Push! Woo! Whoa! Give me some bumpers.
Hopefully you enjoyed that. This is just a quick video, well not quick now that I included that, but just to say, you know, goodbye to the Spartan Lanes Bowling Alley, and this is kind of a send-off video. So, thank you for over 50 years. It's sad to see you go, but hopefully the Starbucks or whatever the millennials vote for occupies your space. Hopefully it's worthwhile, not worth taking out a vintage bowling alley for. So yeah, send off to the Spartan Lanes Bowling Alley in East Lansing. That is it.